I have a patient right now who's 85 years old. She's been coming to me for 2 years. And she's dissolved her cataracts and she's starting to reduce her farsightedness. So that's another course. But she wanted a new prescription and I gave it to her. She gets the prescription and says, "Oh, this is blurry, I can't wear it." And I said, "Exactly. So you got to work with it." You buy prescriptions, it's going to cost you money, right? And your expectation is, well, I buy it for a prescription, I should be able to use it. And in this particular case, the prescription that you may get, you may need to start using it outside the scope of your daily circumstances and routine. And that's a reality that you have to come to grips with. Because if you have an expectation, oh, give me the reduced prescription, and then I can use it to drive, I can use it to my computer, and you get it and you go, wow, this is challenging me a little bit. You've got to work with it.
If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Please send your comments to me. I'd love to hear from you.